Do you want an amazing logo for a business idea on your project without having to use Photoshop? Well, you're in the right place, my friend. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to make a logo that you can be proud to use for free. And even if you have no design skill at all. Hi, I'm Randy. Today, me and my friend Imam is going to explain you how to make a logo. When you have a new business project, you need a logo. And the game is to make a logo that looks professional, quickly and easily. You have two options. One is to get someone to design it for you, such as a graphic designer. Option 2 is to do it yourself. I'm going to walk you through how to create a logo for free using Canva. Let's go now and I'll show you how.
So, first of all, you have to get the Canva app on your Play Store or your App Store, like this. I already downloaded it. Then you have to open it, Canva. And you go to create a design. Create a design, you have to choose the logo, because we're here to making a logo, right? So I'm just gonna scroll down this template, and then we're gonna pick one. It's a cute one. Wait, and that's Wingo Telecom.
Okay, so now that we've chosen the logo, we're definitely gonna do some modification on it because it's gonna be a personal logo. So first of all, what I like to do is I'm gonna change the writings because, well, we're doing a logo for a boutique. I'm just gonna go ahead and change it. Okay, so boutique. There we go. I'm gonna there we go. I'm gonna enlarge it. And then I think I'm gonna delete the bottom thingy. There we go. Much better, much cleaner, much sharper. Now that we're done, I think I'm gonna add another headings. Yeah, so we'll just open the heading section on the bottom and then we'll find the right one. Does it look like it's good? Fun. Okay. We're definitely not gonna use that writings. So we're just gonna put the company's slogan on it. I'm just gonna make it smaller. There we go. And then I'm gonna write the company's slogan. Sustainable and fashionable. There we go. But I think I'm gonna put it down. Not right. Make it smaller, I think. And just a bit. And then yeah, there we go. That's good. Looks nice. Just a little bit bigger. I'm gonna slide it to the right. There we go. Now, because this wing doesn't fit our company, so we're gonna look something more clothes related, something like a shirt maybe or a t-shirt. So it's really important, if you have a logo, to have something that connects with your company. So for example, because I'm making a logo for a clothing company, I'm gonna search clothing related items. So here we have shirts. Ooh, that. I think. Oh, that one looks good. Yeah, I think we'll choose that. Yeah, there we go. But it's still too big, so I'm gonna make it compact and neat and nice. I think that's about it. So, once you're done, with all the editings, you're done doing this, doing that. There's definitely a lot more that you could done on this logo, but it's personal. So when you're done, you just gotta save it. I'm gonna save it as a PNG, the suggested file. You can see there's like a lot of format there, or like I think GPG is good, yeah. And then it's saved, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and save it to my files. There we go, and save. Yay, your design is safe now. And then here we can see a lot of logo that I've made, and a lot of posters that I have designed also in the past. And then you're done. That's it.
So there you have it, our walkthrough tutorial for showing you how to design your own logo for free. Now go forward and make your own beautiful logo. Thank you for tuning in, and goodbye.